everybody. We're ready to get started on the first assignment, and I just wanted to show you guys the differences between doing a distance learning setup online and what we would do in class. And basically the program that we're using now is the SketchUp for Schools program that we have downloaded, and you see here. This is the online version. It will save directly to your Google Drive, and it is almost identical to the version that we would have been using had we been in school. So I just want to show you the differences of how you're going to complete the first video tutorial so you can get started on that. So if I start a new file under feet and inches, my template, this is what the SketchUp for School version looks like online. You have toolbars on your left and right hand side. All these tools, if you hover over, will tell you what the tool it is. Some of the ones that have arrows next to it, if you click on those, they'll drop out a larger menu of tools you can use. You also have keyboard shortcuts here as well. So for example, the shift tool, the L tool, P for paint bucket, or P for push pull, will change your tools and shortcuts as you go through. And so this is where you're going to get the majority of your drawing tools, and then over here there's another set of tools which is this populates more as you actually go through and you're doing your drawing. So you may have to look around for some of the tools because the video you're going to watch is not exactly identical to the new SketchUp version. So SketchUp that we would have used in school looks like this, okay? And so for this version, again, you see all the tools which have pretty much the same shape. These are in color. The palette's laid out a little bit bigger so they're easier to see. And the video you're going to be watching, you're going to see this type of setup, these toolbars, these views up here. So you're going to have to take your time a little bit and find the corresponding tool in the new SketchUp version. I mean, it's similar. The way it works, I should say it works exactly the same. It's just where things are a little bit different. So between this menu and this menu, there's going to be a little bit of difference between what you're seeing and then what you're actually going to be designing in, because again, your version will look like this. When you're ready to start the tutorials, you can go to the assignment, and you have two files here. The first file is a JPEG image, and this is exactly what you're going to be creating. So at the end of your project, your file should look exactly like this one, complete with the measurements, the view, everything. We're actually giving you what it looks like, the answer of what the tutorial should look like when it's done. So there's no reason not to get it perfect because you can see what it is you're trying to accomplish. And then the next part of that is the video, which you will be watching. And the video, is about 29 minutes long for this first one. Again, is built off the other SketchUp version, so you'll have to just kind of make your way through finding the tools, but you should pick it up pretty quickly. And then when you are done, you will be taking a picture of your project using Awesome Screenshot, the extension that we downloaded and installed in Chrome in that other assignment. So you will actually be, everyone will be turning in a picture. It looks like this. You'll use your last name _ tools part 1, and that's the picture you will be submitting into Classroom.